everyone, this is the Lovelace family with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to show you a port tour of Amber Cove. One of the hidden gems, I think, on a Carnival cruise. Let's check it out. All right, 7:30 in the morning. Started unloading about 6:50 this morning. Amber Cove, skybar's at the top. Beach is to the right. Ocean Cabanas to the right. Pool is to the right when you go through. If you like to do some shopping, they have the duty-free, tax and duty-free area here to shop. They have makeup, they have alcohol, liqueurs. You name it, they got it in here. Great souvenir shopping. So if you have an excursion book, this is where you want to meet up with the person that's going to take you on your excursion. As soon as you come out of the duty-free shopping area, to the right is going to be the pool. To the left is where you're going to see here. They got the recreation area, cruise center. They also have some cool Jurassic Park stuff we're going to show you right here. As I mentioned, there's plenty of shopping to your left. This is also where you need to make sure you stick with your excursion group. They got these cool masks here. There's 4 of them in this area. You can have your picture taken with them. They usually also have a little band and some dancers out there as well. A great opportunity to take photos with them as well. But stay with your excursion group if you're going on an excursion. Here you can see we had just got off the ship and everybody was lined up and getting ready to go hit their buses. We're going to show you right here in a second where the buses are located as well. But they have jewelry here, t-shirts, candy shops, you name it, they got it here. They even have a pharmacy coming up we're going to show you to the right. So this is where your excursion buses will be waiting for you. Again, you'll get with your excursion leader, follow them. They'll put you on the right bus for the right excursion. And they always have a real festive area here with bands playing, great photo opportunity as well. All right, we're going to speed things up a little bit and show you another great place to have that Amber Cove photo with the sign. Awesome, awesome area here with a cruise ship right behind it. So this is a pretty famous area in Amber Cove. The Amber Cove sign. It's great for family photos. Got the ship in the background. Again, it's early in the morning, so the sun's not up yet. This is a great time. Walking back towards the duty-free shopping area to the right down this little cove, right in front of the cruise ship, is this cool little statue, a little artifact here with a turtle. Great photo opportunity here as well. This is back to the entrance where you first came in. And we're gonna head up to the skybar to get some early morning video. If you want great photos at Amber Cove Port area, you gotta go up the skybar. They also have 2-for-1 mojitos. Here's a little shot of the menu here. It is a pretty good walk up some steps, but they also have a walking trail that you can do as well. So these steps, we've done this once before. It's quite a few steps. If you have mobility issues, this is definitely not for you. Oh, I'm headed to the top. I'm about to die. Oh. Whew. So when you get to the top, at the very top, this is where your zip line area is. And they do weigh you. So it's not fat boy friendly. 265 is the max. 8 years old. That's where you'll go. $28. The zip line unlimited.
Huh? Yeah, you are good. The light before you go.
All right, so once you get to the top, they have steps to go right straight up to it. Those thunder clouds are coming, and it's starting to rain. So we're going to get up underneath this shelter. Ah, so a little rain. Alright, so there's a little road from the skybar that goes down that you can walk instead of going up them steps. So we'll know this for future reference in case you don't want to go up the steps. Nice view of the pool here, pool area. Slide area, 230-pound weight limit. So these are steps going down to the pool. You take them up to the water slide. So you can walk up the ramp, kind of like a little road, or you can take the stairs. So we're on the opposite end of the entrance to the pool. We'll go back and show you a full walk. Ooh, you smell of chlorine. The bathrooms are right beside the slide area. The nicer bathrooms anyway. Zero entry pool. This is the VIP for rent area. Okay, it's an upcharge on this area. Again, this is early in the morning. This place is usually jamming this time, and it will be by the end of the day. Definitely got to check out this area. We love the Amber Cove pool. We think it's one of the best of all the Carnival cruise ports that they drop by. Let's check out some other things here as we walk around. So you rent your umbrellas and the water sports here. That's prices as of 2023. Got these little pontoon boats. The ocean cabanas. Here's another cool little area to escape. You got these little loungers you can lay in like hammocks. They have a great photo opportunity again with this huge chair that's in front of the cruise ship. The cruise ship would be behind it with the ocean cabanas. They got these all over the place. As you're coming in towards the pool, would be over to your right. Restrooms over here beside the hammocks and the large chair. It's another set of restrooms. I think that's a bar right there. I'm not gonna go all the way up there, but I think that's a bar. Carnival Magic in the back. This is where the zip lines come into from the top of the hill we showed you earlier. This is where they land at. Little area for photos. You got a kids pool area over here. We're going to go check out a little splash station. We're going to continue to the right of the pool, walk over to the splash zone area. So if you got some small kids, this is where we want to be. This is where you want to set up at. You can see there's plenty of loungers here. Kids will love this little tree that has water coming out of it, and the slide and the fish here as well. But we're just going to walk you around the pool, let you kind of soak it in. And then at the very end, we'll come back and tell you a little bit more. They have a nice swim up bar here to the left of the pool. Also the DJ, that's where they'll set up as well. You can also walk up to the DJ and have them play a song for you. Give them a couple $. I'm sure they'll do it. They did it for me anyway. This was our Adventures Ahead hangout. Jill, what do you think?
I think it's a little chilly.
A little chilly?
A little chilly.
It's better than rain earlier, right?
Absolutely better than the downpour.
What do you think, Aunt?
I think it's nice.
Amber Cove, free pool. They get you on other things that aren't so free. That's well worth the try. If you need a ride to and from the port area, you definitely have these rickshaws you can rent. They go off tip alone, so tip them really well. Carnival Magic here is what we were on. But hey, thank you for checking out this Amber Cove port tour. We had the pool here, the shops area. Please like and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We're trying to give you here the ultimate port tour of Amber Cove.